Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ignore my bare face because this is my mom's birthday vlog and first of all, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share. Is that I can't imagine like me and my staff done this wonderful decoration. The clip I'll be inserting right now with the full. So we have already Momo because we call her Momo, and some more balloons everywhere. Hi birthday girl. Show your outfit. What are you wearing? Show.
Kurta and wide-legged bag.
White leg pant. Show nail paint.
Plazo.
Show nail paint. Show nail paint. Like it was supposed to be pink, but then after applying the transparent coat it became orange, so she had to wear. So guys, the plan is that we are gonna give like 15 gifts for 15 hours. I don't know how we're gonna manage that, and just seeing whether mom is there or not. And like it won't be like specifically like after 1 hour, like thoda bahut wo ho jayega. So guys, here is the birthday girl setting, and we will be cutting the cake, and later
Oh wow. Oh.
okay. So guys, the cake ceremony is gonna end here.
But we're gonna to buy the cake. Bye.
So we're gonna eat the cake, and like after 2 to 3 minutes, we'll do the. So guys, we're gonna give like first gift, 2 gifts right now because we're short of time because we started this a little late. So now we're gonna give 2 gifts and let's catch a reaction. Excuse my cropped head. Okay, so let's start with the first one. Yeah.
Yes,
That is your first gift. If you want a chocolate.
this is my birthday gift.
Yo!
Yes. Nicely packed, yaar. Mom.
Momo. That is chocolate. If you want.
ओ ओ क्या मंगवाया है? इसके लिए सब ये पार्सल आ रहा था और मुझे नहीं पता चल रहा था. Amazon.
No, not on this one.
Not on this one.
No, you just take the box.
I am.
Oh.
Slow, slow. It's
Fragile.
delicate. Just like me.
इतना पैकिंग यार, ये क्या है?
Oh!
ओह
So, yeah, open up. Like me here.
ओह वाव.
And there's one more. Niche.
ओह ये 4.
Yes. So that is why you were telling you to get rid of makeup.
Superb. एक नंबर. Thank you so much, girl.
Now, Daddy is gonna give the second gift. Come. Mommy turn.
Happy birthday, Monica.
Thank you, Ashu.
See, Mommy.
God bless you. Stay blessed.
Thank you.
See, that was number 1, and now this is
Number
number
2.
Number 2 gift. अच्छा.
No, and this is very fragile as well. Okay?
Oh.
This decoration is done by us.
This is matching, huh? Gift color
Yeah,
and balloon.
theme is blue.
अच्छा blue theme છે. Wow.
Who's your favorite colors? Blue.
I'm wearing also something blue jeans.
Let's wear a blue mask.
What is this?
White mask.
White mask.
Wait, don't open, wait.
White mask no more. अरे वाह.
Slow, fragile it is. White masks are very delicate.
મારી
Not
સ્કિન
sponsored.
વ્હાઇટ કરવા માટે છે.
Yes.
આનાથી વ્હાઇટ થઈશ તો બધા ડરી જશે.
એ white ના લીધું છે મને કરો.
ઓહ વાવ.
ઊંધું છે. Oh, it's like this.
Oh, so sweet, yaar.
So, Mama, this gift is about something that reminds you of your childhood, and this gift was planned by Netra. Okay, so turn.
મેં કર્યું છે ના બેટા ખુશિયા. વાવ. આવો નેત્રા ખુશી કમ આશીષ આવો. આવો નેત્રા આવો બેટા.
ચીઝ ચીઝ બોલાયા જો.
ચીઝ.
વાળ ઉપર લગાવવાના કારણ.
Oh,
અંદર
amazing!
આવી જાઓ.
I love this.
બેવ જણા આના શોલ્ડર પર હાથ રાખો.
Like these are the moon stars which glow at the night.
I love stars and moon. Thank you,
There you go.
girls. एक ये छोटो आओ wait.
So, see you the next time. Guys, the last gift which you saw in the clip was the stars. We stuck it on the ceiling, so those glow in the dark. So I'll just show you the clip because it's night. I mean, it's not night, so I won't show you the part where it would be glowing, but I'll just show you the overall look. They're like so tiny, but they would like glow in the dark. It would look like nice. So it is 3 hours later, so I'm gonna give 3 gifts right now, and we have done makeup. We got ready. So this is the first one. Mama, give your hands. The first one. Open. And we all are wearing blue, which you already saw in the thumbnail. Open. Thank you. Like this, then you just open the lid.
And this is nice
Take
colors.
one and just like rub it in water, and then you get soap. And like this is the star shape, and this is also the star shape.
Wow.
We didn't get any blue, so these were the closest ones. Okay. And one more gift, which is Netra, come. Netra, just leave. So the next gift is a kiss.
Thank you.
So we give 4 gifts right now. Dress you.
Thank you. Wow.
Like this, then you just open the lid.
And this is nice colors.
Take one and just like rub it in water, and then you get soap. And like this is the star shape, and this is also the star shape.
Wow.
We didn't get any blue, so these were the closest ones. Okay. And one more gift, which is Netra, come. Netra, just leave. So the next gift is a kiss.
Thank you.
So we give 4 gifts right now. Dress you.
Thank you.
So guys, my mom is getting like a little bit restless. So we're gonna give all the gifts right now. So I'll just go get all the gifts. Mommy, stand here. So in the starting we forgot to give her this crown. So giving it now. Hey.
Oh. Queen. The queen.
No, Radha. Just wait.
એને એમ નથી પહેરવાનું પહેરાઈ ગઈ ને
બરાબર છે મસ્ત. It's the queen.
Oh,
Okay, so the next
Before the
gift
pie?
Daddy is giving. We'll do that
Wow.
later.
એ પહેરી જ રાખ.
Yeah, after that.
yay! What is this big one? Hey, hey!
So open it and see.
Yay! I have never got so many gifts up till now. This is my first birthday when I am
No
getting so
party.
many gifts.
Open, Mama.
Hello.
Oh, oh, oh.
You know the packaging itself on that couch.
It's fine. Wow.
Okay, hold it, hold it.
Yeah, dum laga ke haiya. Wow.
Okay, so this is a yoga mat.
Oh, this is the best thing I got.
Open it and see.
Thank you. Yeah, but I got it. It's like same.
Never mind. So the next gift my
Thank
sister's
you.
giving. So here my sister's coming, and this gift is the gift which like would help Mama in her business.
Wow, Neta, what is this? Wow. Yay. Oh, oh. Oh.
Like so these
This
are
is
like
my private diary.
2 pens. It's not private. This one is for
For your
your business. So I'll open it and I'll show.
Oh, wow. This is cool, yaar. Every gift is useful to me, yaar.
That's what.
I will use in daily wear. Everything is used.
So it's like written be happy.
I'm happy. Be
Such
happy.
a cute packaging. Yeah, and this choice was of my sister.
There was one more. There was butterfly one.
Yeah, but it was so pretty, but like it had some damages, so we didn't want to
Yeah,
try
they
it.
only had one. Thank
piece.
you. Thank
So-
you, Nitra.
Yeah. I'll give the next. You only give this. Just give.
Oh, this is a big chocolate.
And
Yes.
it is like packed like a chocolate. And this one, Mummy loves it.
Yeah, she loves it like a lot. Actually, I loved every gift, yaar. Everything is useful in my daily life. It will not stay in my cupboard. Actually, people give gifts like कि कबाट में ही पड़ा रहता है. But I think this all I will use every day. Ashish, come now. Please help me.
So we got.
Can you help me, Ashish?
Yeah.
Wow, great, yaar.
I'm trying to help you.
So वो पीछे आओ, your movie is getting cropped.
क्या करूँ हाइट भगवान ने डाला
I'll put it पीछे. My daddy is so tall.
Oh, I love it. This is my favorite. Yes, this is a 500 star for me.
Like these are so many
I
5
love
stars.
this 5 stars. Oh, क्या है उसमें बोलते 5 स्टार में?
कुछ मत करो.
कुछ मत करो, खाली खाते रहो.
खाओ और कुछ मत करो.
Enjoy. खाओ और खो जाओ. Oh, I love this. Ah.
Oh yeah? Papa, give the next gift.
Amazing. I love 5 stars. I won't spare any.
So here comes the next gift.
Oh. बस पूछिए how many
So
gifts
this
you are?
is, so this one is the next one. Open.
Ting, ting, ting.
बस हाँ.
What is this now?
You remove the lid from here.
Oh.
It's a mascara.
Mascara.
Oh wow.
It's a mascara.
This gift
I
is
needed it,
named for Mama, but I'm going to use it the most.
but I will use it.
Oh, it's a nice gift. I'll do now. This. That one.
What is this now?
Yes. Open that paper. With the chocolate.
Okay. Wait. When you all purchase
So
everything,
the mascara and this product inside is from the beauty shop.
when you went, beauty
Even
and
the
went.
face shop. Oh, I'm so sorry.
Face shop. Oh my god.
The lipstick.
Wow. Lipsticks.
Lip tints.
It's lip and cheek tints. I don't know what is
Mm,
this,
this
how
is
to
like-
be used.
It's like water-based product. You can put it on your lips and like a
Oh,
cheek and
okay.
blush.
He's chewing her.
So this one is the cherry one, and this one is
The pink.
What is that?
the bug rose.
Pink nails or
So you
something.
use it on your lips, your cheeks, and sometimes eyeshadow. Green one.
Wow.
The
Yeah, and
next
it's
one-
water based
Nice.
and not oil based.
It is done
And
like
it's
that?
cruelty free and it's water based.
Two more. Huh?
So next gift is
Huh?
next gift is a massage.
Oh, I love it. Ah!
Okay, that's it. Now we're doing the last
Last.
one. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay, wait.
Where is that?
Last gift. So this is the second last gift.
Oh wow.
Just have to pull that open.
Hey, उठसे नहीं ने? I'm scared. Wow, what a lovely decor.
I'm gonna pull that, okay?
Oh. Oh. This is awesome.
ये देखो.
Wow, I love this.
And this-
Seriously, this is too cool.
A
yaar.
shout out to Neelam Di, she helped me. That's
हाँ.
you don't have to pull that. And the mug also, see?
Wow, so nice, yaar. આ બહુ જ સરસ gift છે. This is the best thing I will keep forever.
So guys, this one is the last gift.
Wow.
Don't switch the rapid.
Yay,
packaging.
silver. I
First-
love silvers.
We gave a shot of blue paper.
Amazing, amazing.
It's
Oh,
not
wow, this is I think Mona. Wow, this is a perfect gift.
So while packaging,
Wow,
the glass
Neetra.
broke, so we just taped it. And it's a portrait which Neetra drew for Mama. And the stone from here.
Come here. You're not. From the camera. Netra, come here.
So now we'll put all the like
Over here.
gifts
Right
over
there.
here.
Come here, come here.
And we'll just How was it for the mom?
Oh, it was truly amazing with lots of surprise and gifts. I have never get any gift like this. Like 14 gifts.
15.
And
And the
your
decoration.
videos and your lovely decoration and the super decoration. I have never experienced such things in my life. I'm truly overwhelmed. Thank you so much, kids and my hubby. Thank you.
Love you too. So your birthday is still not over. More surprises are gonna come
What?
at night.
Huh?
Yeah. Wait. Last gift is some delicious dinner pizza.
Oh, I love it. Yay.